Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download Aviator Predictor app on phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So when you go to your app store and search Aviator Predictor, you will find plenty of options but not the exact ones, or maybe you're confused or it is not what you've been searching for. Then I would suggest to go to your Safari or any browser that you prefer on your mobile phone. Then I will suggest you to go to your browser. I'm going here in Safari. You can open whatever you prefer, and from over here go to search bar and type in Aviator Predictor app, and then it will give you some options. Now you can see I'm gonna simply go ahead, tap on Aviator game, and we're gonna play online, whatever the one I prefer, which gives me the app right over here. I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to tap on this option of download and get it start being downloaded. Now we can search by adding the brand of your phone as well. If it's Android, if it's iPhone, you can add in by that as well and search. And once you get the app, you can download as well from the website as well. That's the basic option for you. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.